How do you paint your triple defense paint? Are you affecting the delivery date because your PCB boards are not finished with the paint? Today, let's talk about the knowledge of 3-proof paint. 3-proof paint is a kind of special paint with waterproof, dustproof and corrosion-resistant properties. And the 3-proof paint spraying machine is a specialized equipment for spraying 3-proof paint, which protects the electronic components by evenly coating the paint on the surface of the components through spraying technology. Increased efficiency. Basic's tri-proof paint sprayer can apply tri-proof paint quickly and evenly to large areas or complex shapes, which is more efficient than manual painting and saves time. Improved spray quality. The sprayer produces a more uniform coating that provides better coverage and protection on both flat and curved surfaces. The pressure and flow rate during the spraying process can be adjusted by the control system to control the thickness of the coating. Wide range of applications. Basic's paint sprayers are suitable for a wide range of surfaces and shapes, and can be flexibly adjusted in terms of spray pattern and spray angle, as well as to meet the needs of customers in different projects, saving human resources.
Whereas it used to take several people to paint a portion of a board, a single machine can now paint a large area with only a few operators, reducing time and increasing overall efficiency.
The progression from manual to machine painting provides a more efficient, even and economical application process with better quality control, which is especially valuable for large-scale painting projects and areas requiring high-quality finishes.